Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Clickbank and Pinterest. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can make your Pinterest pins goes viral. And best thing is, you don't even need to create content by yourself. So this method is beginner friendly, it is available worldwide, it is 100% free, it will cost you no money. And actually I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything. So make sure to watch the entire video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. So let's say I'm in dog niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to make your Pinterest page. Now this is one Pinterest page related to dogs. And first thing you need to do, you need to add an eye-catchy photo, eye-catchy profile image, okay? And as you can see here, this is a photo of cute puppy that is an eye-catchy. You need to add a name to your page. And these guys actually didn't add a description, but you should add a description to your page. And that description should contain your main keyword. And then you need to create boards. And these guys actually did a pretty good job with boards. They made a board for each dog breed. But I would actually add a few more boards that, for example, dogs health, dogs exercise, dog training, and so on and so on. In that case, I can get even more targeted traffic that is actually targeting buyers, because those people are more likely to buy products. So after you create your Pinterest page, next thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that, you can use Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, AliExpress, or any other affiliate network. But for this example, I am going to use Clickbank. And because I'm in dog niche, what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on Home and Garden and then on Animal Care and Pets. And Clickbank will give me pets related products that I can promote. And here you can see brain training for dogs. Now, this is one of the best selling products on Clickbank of all time. And here you can see I can earn on average $31 per sale. So what I need to do, I need to click here on promote and I will get my Clickbank affiliate link. But like I said, you can successfully promote products for other affiliate networks as well. Now this is a tip for you. Because affiliate links are long and kind of ugly looking, I would suggest to actually shorten those links. Because I'm already promoting this product here, I already have a shortened link for this product here. So next thing you need to do, you need to find viral videos in your niche. To do that, you can simply go on Instagram and find the related pages in your niche. And because I'm talking about dogs, I found this page. So what you need to do, you need to click here either on videos or on reels to find videos that went viral on this page here. And chances are, if that video went viral on this page, it will go viral on Pinterest as well. And here you can see which of these videos went viral. And what you need to do, you can simply click on one of these videos, for example, on this one here. And here you can see that these guys actually gave a credit to the person who created this video. And you need to ask for permission to re-upload this video on your Pinterest page. From my experience, 90% of people will give you permission as long as you give them credit. And after you find this video, all you have to do is just download this video by using iGram. Or you can simply go on TikTok and do exactly the same thing. Find related pages in your niche or simply find videos in your niche that went viral. Here you can see I found dog related videos and some of these videos got millions and millions of views. This video, 54 million views. This video here, 8 million views. 9 million, and so on and so on. And all you have to do is just download these videos to your desktop. And next thing you need to do, you actually need to edit these videos a bit. So you can actually go on Canva and you can register for a free account. And you actually need to upload that video on Canva. I already did that. And you need to choose a mobile video format because we downloaded this video from Instagram Reels or from TikTok. And that is mobile video format. And like I said, I already uploaded one video and I'm going to click here on videos and I actually uploaded, and this is the video that I uploaded. So what I need to do, I simply need to drag that video here and this is the video that I downloaded from Instagram. So what I actually need to do, I need to add another slide. So let me just pause this, okay? So just click here on this plus to add another page. And I will make this page, let's say for example, let's just say to be black. And I need to add a call to action, okay? So click here on text and choose one of the available text styles. So let me just choose, let's just choose this one here, okay? And I'm going to delete this because I don't need that. And I'm going to delete this as well. And I already prepared call to action, so I will just copy this, Control C, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? And I'm going to make that wider, just like this, and I'm going to make it center, okay? So let me just make this center like this, and I will make it smaller. Let's just say 50, for example. Okay, that is too small, so I will just make it a bit bigger, a bit larger, just like this. Okay, so I added call to action. Now you will add better call to action. I'm doing this just for the purpose of this video. So I can actually shorten this, let's just say on 3 seconds. Okay, and all I have to do now is just click here in upper right corner on share, and then click here on download, and then click here on download again, and download this video to your desktop. So now when you have your video, next thing you need to do, you need to go back on your Pinterest profile, and this is really important, so pay close attention. You need to convert your Pinterest page into a business page. That is really important. Now I just created this page here, and what you need to do, you need to add your cover image. Just click here on this plus, and you can add your cover image. That image should be eye-catchy. You need to add your profile image, and that profile image also should be eye-catchy. And then you need to edit your profile. Okay, that is really important. You need to say something about you. You need to add your bio, and that bio should contain your main keyword. And when you scroll here, you can add your website. In this case, you can add your Clickbank affiliate link, and then click here on save, and you will edit your profile. And why we are actually using videos? When you click here on search, and for example, when we search for dogs, you will see that there is many videos exactly here on the first page on results, search results on Pinterest. And those videos are mostly, and you can actually, not just that, but you can actually search only videos. Just click here on videos, and you will see that most of these videos are getting lots and lots of engagement, and they are getting lots and lots of views. And that is because Pinterest realized that they are now competing with YouTube Shorts, with Instagram Reels, and with TikTok videos. And they are now pushing videos on Pinterest as well. And chances are that your videos will also go viral. Now, to upload your videos, what you need to do, you need to click here on create, and then click here on create pin. And you need to upload video that you just created in Canva. So just click here, and let me find, this is the video. So obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to add title. So I can say something like this, funny dog. Of course, you will come up with better title. And then you need to add a description. I already prepared the description, and this is my description. Control C, and I can simply paste that description here, and the description should also contain your main keyword. And I also gave a credit, and then this is really important, so pay close attention. You need to add tags. Tags are really important for videos on Pinterest. So I can simply type here dog, and I can simply choose one of these, for example, dog quotes, and then again dog. Okay, and I can find, for example, dog house. And you should add as much as you can tags. And like I said, tags are really important for Pinterest videos. And here link, you should not add link. You can only add link to the Pinterest video. In this case, to the TikTok video, okay? To the person who created this video on TikTok. You should not add your affiliate link because Pinterest doesn't quite like affiliate links. And here you can actually choose cover image. You can choose one of these cover images, and after you add everything, all you have to do is just click here on publish, and you will publish your video on Pinterest. And you need to publish videos every day, at least one video every day. And trust me, if you do this just 1 month, at least one of your videos will start going viral, and it will start getting you thousands and thousands of followers. And then what you can do, you can simply start creating pins in Canva, and then you can use those pins to send traffic to your blog, to your website, to your Pinterest page, to your Instagram page, to your YouTube channel, to your landing page, squeeze page, or whatever you want. And because you have thousands and thousands of followers on Pinterest, you will start getting traffic. You will start getting free targeted organic traffic, and you will start getting emails on your email list, or you can simply start making sales on your affiliate product, and you will start making money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Just 1 month, trust me, this works. So this is how you make money with affiliate marketing in 2022 as a beginner by using free traffic from Pinterest. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.